If you can take it off, you go for it. But Mama's not going to help you.
I want to take it off.
Go on, try taking your shirt off. You can do it.
I'm just going to take my shirt off.
I thought you were taking your shirt off. You can do it. Try. Try taking your shirt off. You're a big boy. You can do it. You do it. Pull it off. Owen, are you going to take your shirt off or not?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see you. Take it off.
Oh no! A spider web.
Okay, I'm going to turn the camera off if you're not going to take your shirt off. Are you going to take it off?
Yeah.
Okay, try.
Let me please.
Oh, you can do it. Remember, lift it off over your head like you're taking your bib off.
Take the bib off?
Mm-hmm. You're silly. Bonk. Come on. Try. Pull it off over your head. You can do it.
Ow.
Owen. Lift it off over your head. Bonk. Okay, I'm turning the camera off.